decided to have a sleepover.
Hey, Rosie, do you want to come sleep over?
Yeah!
Hey, Chloe, do you want to come sleep over?
Sure!
Yay, I can't wait!
She set up all sorts of things like video games, game boards, DVDs, and movies. Suddenly, the doorbell rang.
Ding dong!
Lily's brother Jonah came running down the stairs.
I wonder if those are my friends.
Those aren't your friends, they're my friends. Go somewhere else, Jonah.
Okay.
The girls had a lot of fun at the sleepover. But eventually they decided to go to sleep. Jonah had different ideas.
I know how I'll get him.
Jonah, you will pay for this and ruin my sleepover! Mom!
What's going on? Jonah! Come here.